Hello dear friends, this is your friend Syed Iman, and welcome back to our channel Tech Hunter. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the dual app feature on a Samsung Android phone, specifically the Samsung Galaxy A53. This feature is also available on many other Samsung devices around the world, so this guide will help a lot of you. With Dual App, also called Dual Messenger on Samsung, you can use two separate accounts of the same app on one phone, for example, two WhatsApp accounts at the same time. First, open your phone and go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Inside Advanced Features, you will find an option called Dual Messenger. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of supported apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, and more. Turn on the toggle next to WhatsApp, then click on Install from the bottom of the screen. Your phone will now install a second copy of that app. Once it's done, you'll see a new WhatsApp icon with a small dual app symbol on it. Now you can open it and log in with a different phone number. That's it. You're now using two WhatsApp accounts on one phone. If you found this video helpful and want more simple and useful tech tutorials like this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Tech Hunter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.